Bob, what you pumping?
Some oil.
That doesn't look like John Deere oil.
Huh.
We working on John Deere's now?
No.
Not today.
Not today.
Alright, welcome back to CNC Equipment's YouTube channel, Land of the Broken Bulldozers. We've been going through a bunch of these little forestry dozers, got out of the government forestry program, and it's getting down to the good ones, isn't it, Kevin?
Yeah.
So, of course, we've took all the easy ones and got those up and going so we can get some money back, right? Yeah. Then we come over to stuff like this. Mr. Hunter's here to help us for a little bit.
I'm here.
You're just in time to pour oil on this one. So the rest of these that's sitting here, well, I say 3 of them. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you need a 1/2-inch ratchet. Go ahead. There's nothing wrong there.
Do we need less grease in it?
Plus or minus.
Bring the grease gun back out with the 3/4 socket on that little wobble socket. We'll tighten that up before we drive it in, maybe. So, where'd that go?
Look, it's got a small garden on top.
So anyway, we're getting down to the good ones. This one, so a little John Deere over there, both these come in the same trailer. I think the transmission may be out of that one. If it is, we'll have a video on that.
Yeah.
This one come in, blade wouldn't go up. Kevin's wanting to get a forklift and pick it all up and do the right thing. I said, just put it in reverse and back it off the trailer.
Yeah, you should have seen that guy. He didn't.
Truck
like
driver wasn't
that.
happy, but hey, that's why it's
I
backed
cleaned
over
his
here.
whole trailer off.
You did, graded it and leveled it. And so we're gonna put, hopefully it's out of hydraulic oil. Is that right? It's not showing in the little gauge. I'm assuming it has a busted line or something somewhere, or catastrophic failure. Here's the bad part about this whole situation. We've got a salesman in there named Jay.
He done sold it.
He already sold this thing. The only good
That's
one left.
how good he is.
Yes. I don't like selling stuff that we've not looked at yet. That one up there is still good, but somehow he sold this one because somebody was wanting a deal on a higher hour one, even though this only has like 1,300 hours on it. But anyway, we've got to get it fixed. If we can't get it fixed, then Jay's gonna have to call somebody up and say,
Let's just hope they just drained all the fluid, right?
I guarantee she has a gusher somewhere. Meanwhile, we're waiting on Hunter.
You think he's gonna come back?
I don't think so.
I think he's still.
Don't think you can find a 1/2-inch ratchet?
I don't know. I hear a lot of
Has he not
drawers.
been here that long? He doesn't know what that is anymore?
Yeah, I don't know.
Sitting right here at the gun show. There you go.
Really?
There you go.
Oh, you about busted your knuckles.
What's up, girls? Oh yeah.
Oh,
Did you see the
busted
forearm?
that. Yeah, busted
Free
that shirt
tickets
out.
only last so long.
Oh, is that a trial period right there?
Yeah.
Now you got to be a member.
Now we'll see how good of a pourer you are.
Here we go.
Oh,
Oh gosh. Hold
Oh yeah.
hang on. Your daddy's not showed you how to pour a bucket? There you go.
on. No.
Pour from the top. There's so many people that don't know how to pour a bucket.
I thought you'd do.
I'm one of them.
Is it holding all the 5 gallons?
Well, you got the sight glass over there.
It'll be
I'm gonna
good.
guess it's probably plumb empty. Kevin's probably gonna crawl underneath of it and see if it's running out anywhere right now.
No.
Are you empty?
Pretty much.
I'm gonna guess it's not in the sight glass.
What would give you that inclination?
I don't know. So I was gonna tighten the track up here, but this is really weird. It's went back so far that the grease adjuster is back under the shield. That's covered in dirt.
It'll drive.
I think it needs washed first, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, there's Jay. We were just talking bad about you, bud. Selling something we've not looked at.
I went through the chain of events and you said sell it.
I said sell that one up there. It works.
We can do that one too. Bob, we can make a deal today. We got situations or what?
Well, we don't know yet.
No, you can't handle, I'm sure.
Yeah, we've been working on another one for a day and a half, and it was a little $17 part. But we figured it out.
We might need to adjust the tracks on this side.
Well, he's going to, but it's slid so far back, it's under that shield, and it kind of needs washed. And
It needs a Randy job.
are you going to attempt to start it and see where the oil's spraying out at? We've never seen the blade go up on this one. I'm assuming it has a leak. You want to watch another side under? Yeah. Around the cylinders and stuff. It looked kind of oily over at that other lift cylinder in this pile of dirt. More throttle.
The neck comes out with it. Make sure that thing's pulled out, right?
It's a little sticky. There you go. I seen you had it out far enough. I got a kill switch up there. Oh, good. You got oil leaking anywhere?
Nothing even wrong with that.
Is it leaking anywhere? I got a leaker, boys. I found a leak. She's right there.
A leak?
Yeah, hose blowed. We're gonna have to have a bath.
Oh yeah.
So
that line?
yeah.
Yeah. It goes under.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So well, thankfully all the dirt's catching oil right now. Let's get everything off the track over and take it back to the wash pad, and we'll get it washed up and we'll be back. How's that sound?
Yeah, that sounds real good.
Yeah. I've seen the track out loose. All right, guys, got the dozer cleaned up a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
I guess we're working on the track first. Mr. Kevin's jumping ahead. Everything cleaned up. Kind of see our oil leak going on there. We got to see which hose that is. That looks like that's going to be fun. Is there grease blown out in the backside of that joint back here?
C.
Huh?
C.
So that means the seal's out of it?
C.
Well, you see what we're talking about there, but seal is out. I don't know if I got any seals, these little boogers. It's been a while since we've had these. That means we're going to be busting the track apart, boys and girls. All right, so Kevin did clean this up. Grease is blowed out in the back there, confirming that seal's bad. I think we're going to abandon this. So we got to start the dozer up and move it around. Right. I think we need to go to the other side and fix that leaky hose, get that plumbed up, sealed up, and then we'll come back to this. All right, so we got one line leaking here. It's blowed out right there. You guys can see that. This one's not looking much better. Top one looks like it's in good shape and been replaced, so they terminate right down here. None of this looks real fun.
Yeah.
We could go home, let Mason do it.
Yeah. Good.
Looks like you're gonna have to take that cover off that cylinder down there, and I'll start up here. Is this my tool? Did you get me a tool? No. No? I have to get an extension for that. Don't be stealing my tool.
Straight up steal it.
Here you go. I'll let you use it.
Thanks.
I'm not really in there. I'm trying to hold the camera. Don't be scared.
Did you see that snap-on power?
All right. You guys can see that a little better there. Feels pretty solid there, bud.
Feels like there's one more. You know what I need?
What you need?
That little extensiones you had there.
This one you just threw over here and left?
Yeah. That's probably not gonna work.
Need a wrench?
Yeah.
A ratcheting kind? 9/16. So you guys don't know, these little Dressta dozers are based, International Harvester actually made dozers back in the day, and they're based off the old TD-8H series and stuff like that. A lot of the stuff's still the same, the undercarriage. I'm not sure if the transmission and the final drive stuff's the same, but this is a TD-8H. Actually come out with this in about 1994 or so, I think, 93. This is a later, like 2000 something, but anyway, simple little dozers, 4 BT Cummins in it. No computer, no electronics on the H series, so. One of the last all mechanical dozers. Fun part's gonna be putting all this back together.
Oh, we got Mason for it. He's a good little put her back together.
We're talking about Mason's girlfriend.
Yeah.
What's her name? Alice Chalmers?
Yeah. Alice, we know that. I do like Alice Chalmers though.
You know things are getting serious when you got to get a crow's foot and a 3/8 ratchet with a 4-foot handle on it.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. I hate these things.
Knuckle Buster 5000. Engaged.
I don't know if I've ever used this ratchet yet. You ready for it? Ooh.
Oh yeah. Now, if you get real lucky, the fitting swivels with it too.
You know the whole thing's turning.
Yeah. Yeah, that's when you really know you got a good one.
Nope.
No?
We got lucky on that one.
Ooh.
Oh, we got lucky on both.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be a great day.
Yes. Feels good.
All right, so I got those broke free, but they're not swiveling in the swivel. So we're gonna do the right thing and just cut the hose in two so they swivel, right?
That's all right.
All right, you ready for this party? I got you right here. Close your eyes, people.
Golly.
Did you get it? All right, there's one. That's how you take the hose off. It's got a stuck fitting. Which one's that for you? Is this one here? You want me to twist it?
Should be getting close here.
That the right way?
Yeah.
Where's your end swivel?
Mine's swelling right now.
Oh. So I'm not doing anything.
Currently.
Okay.
There you go. She's a leaker, boys.
Oh, she is.
There's a pan right there.
Well, that's what smart people do, is put it in a pan, but I don't see any of those people here right now, do you? Mm-mm. All right. Probably should make that one, put it on there so we don't screw the situation up. I feel good about that.
Yeah.
Do you remember the measurement?
54.5.
Oh, I've said it about 3 times. Okay. Is that what you're good for? Hot air?
Yeah. Blowing a bunch of smoke.
All right, so we got our own hose machine here. You know what the bad thing is?
What's that?
We only got 2 of these fittings and we need 4 because my Napa guy's slacking on me.
Way to go, Dilbert.
Oh, he just called him out on TV. I think his name's Dylan. I hope he doesn't watch this. You know Forrest Gump watches it and he works there, right?
Yeah, he'll let him know. You're welcome.
Yeah, yellow number 6. Right?
This doesn't feel
Nope, half-inch. Sorry, got the wrong collets.
right.
Professionals at
Feel
work.
good.
We got number 8 hose.
Something didn't feel like home.
No. So if you guys don't know, number 8 is half-inch in American. I don't know what it is in millimeters. Probably 10-ish, 11-ish, something like that. No, 13. 13 millimeters half-inch, right?
There's on the sockets.
Everybody wants me to start converting these numbers, we're saying, because half our viewers are from overseas and metric land. So we got to start doing that. So we got a 13 millimeter. I think it's 12.7. It probably says on here. I think it's 12.7 in metric land. 345 bar metric or 5,000 psi. Where are we at? 12.7 millimeters. See, I told you I knew what I was doing. You're welcome, people. But we're putting American JIC number 8 fittings.
Here in America, we like to make things difficult on ourselves.
We do. I actually like the metric system better, people, but
Yeah, I mean,
it's just how it is here. I'd rather be on the metric system. I think it's easier. So he's just crimping that down until it kicks out in hydraulics over there, and we've got one hose made. Oh, bud. You know what we did? You know what we did too.
yeah,
Those springs right here,
yeah.
will they go over that?
No.
They look bigger.
You know what we could do? We could have Mason wind it on there.
Yeah. So smart people would have put the springs on the hose before you crimped them. And yeah, we'll be back after we get those on there. Mason, we're glad you're here.
Yeah,
You're gonna be there a while.
I am.
But you're nailing it.
We wasn't smart enough to put it on the hose first.
Yeah, maybe next
We're a
time.
failure, Mason.
You're doing
All right, I gotta go rattle somebody's cage at Napa to find me some fittings.
That's right. Yes, here it comes. You're so close.
2 hours later.
Maybe like 5 minutes later.
Good job, Mason.
You're killing it.
I'm glad you're here because we're
I
failures.
helped you for a little
Did
bit.
you?
I did for a little
I was
bit.
gone, so I don't have proof of that. Mason?
He did.
Oh.
He just put it in the vise though. That's all he did.
Oh, I told him to put a drill on
gave
it.
it the spinnerini.
I told him to put the drill on it and let her eat.
Teamwork.
All right, we're gonna get this back in here.
Hey, at least this is better than the other hose man you did.
Oh well, yeah. This one is.
And this is probably not even the one that's blowing either.
Do you want the oil change now or?
Yeah,
Probably the top one.
if you can. I mean, we could move it over the pit, but
That would be nice.
we're really not in a very good driving position.
We will need some fluids for her. She's a.
See if you can just change it here because that track's jacked up and everything else.
She's gonna be very thirsty.
All right, take 2. Second hose going down. You got an oil bath, bud. Maybe your boss will buy you new clothes. Yeah, right?
And action.
What are we doing?
Final drive.
Making final drives while we're waiting on fittings.
That's right.
Mason's changed the oil.
Mason's got his checklist up there.
Does he? Like a good little Mason?
Yep, he's doing good. You're doing great.
Nice clean oil.
Oh yeah. I noticed you didn't struggle on that one.
Well, I've got a 3-foot ratchet.
Oh.
So that helps.
Hmm.
So yeah, we'll have fittings later today, and we'll have the seal for the track hopefully tomorrow. So. Mason doing good work up there.
Kind of feels like it. Any words you'd like to say? People say you don't spend a lot of time talking when the camera's on, Mason.
How many hours is on this tractor, Mason?
1347.
1,300. Like brand new.
Sure there's nothing else you'd like to say, Mason?
That's what everybody says. Why are you so quiet? Are you camera shy?
Hi, Mason.
Do you hate me?
Can you tell the world that you do talk as soon as we quit recording?
Sure.
Mason is a talker.
Yes.
Just not when the camera's on. He just smiles.
Yeah, he does. See, look, there he is again.
As soon as we turn that camera off, though.
It ain't nothing but 6.2s and...
Yeah, that means a little bit of fluid. She's a little bit low.
Oh, okay.
I can touch her, but...
All right, well, let's go get some fluid.
Pump away.
Putting gear oil in these. Right here. Got the final full. Kevin's gonna check the winch here. Being these machines are low hours, we usually don't change a lot of this stuff. I feel like it's gonna spray out over you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, she's got oil in it, bud. You're full. Mason's checking the tranny. All right, we're waiting on fittings. Hey, Bubby, guess what I got? Fittings. And guess what we did this time?
We did the right thing.
We did the right thing. We put the spring on the hose first.
Only because Mason left.
Yeah,
early.
Mason's gone. He had to go to school.
Yeah. We would have never been able to do that. He's our little helper.
You did good work.
Yes.
We're gonna put your end on first down here.
Yes.
This my end.
Yes.
Are you sure?
No. This is your end.
Did you put the spring on wrong?
Okay. 3-piece.
Are you sure there wasn't supposed to be 2 pieces here? Okay, we'll pretend it didn't happen.
It doesn't need protected right there. It's short.
Gotcha.
See?
Put your hand on. What's this one even do?
Equalizes.
Sure. All right, got the line all back on, all the guards on, clamps. Kevin's got her filled up with hydraulic oil, it sounds like. Filled her all the way up. She's probably gonna suck her down. I guess we can go ahead and bust this track apart while we're waiting on the seal too, can't we?
Sure.
I know it's not what we want to do, but we're going to.
Sure.
It's raining outside. We'll get all of our tools cleaned up. We'll start this dozer up. We got a master link way back here. We'll probably walk it up here. We'll lay the track down kind of like a railroad track, and we'll slide that idler out. Show you how we change the seal. Hey bub, your track's a little loose.
It was a little loose, wasn't it?
We'll see if we got any leaks over there, and then you can pull her up. Tilt it. Tilt it. I think you're good. blade all the way over. Angle your blade. Put her down. Hope we can clear that step there. It's kind of in the way, isn't it? I think we'll be good. All right, get her busted apart.
Feel the snap-on power.
I wish I wasn't holding the camera right now. You got her, Bubby?
Yep.
Okay.
Give it to Bruce Lee.
My back's a little tender. I'll let you do it.
Dozer!
It's gonna be, oh, look at that. Manpower. All right, we'll probably tie this track up here and get it out of our way. Hey, Bub, that looks like an anaconda.
King Cobra.
I'm going for the double chain there, so we can live another day and make more videos. It's kind of dirty in here. Look at that 3/4 impact there. Take this little grease cover off, and I'll take the grease fitting out, and should be able to slide her off. You should be able to loosen that up with your same socket and relieve the pressure.
Sometimes I relieve pressure.
Now, we know that on live television too.
Yeah.
Even though there's no pressure on it, but. All right, we ought to be able to yank that dude out. Can you just get one pry bar?
Yeah, but she's an easy mover.
Oh, I see a red block up here on this one.
Watch that.
You got a little ding plane cleat.
Oh.
Come out one, we can take that block. All right, these got a little pin to keep these from coming all the way off, so we'll get a socket, let's say 1 1/8", and pull that little block off there. Look, the red dump truck's here. There's a dump truck in her garage. Hey, you want to help your friend Kevin real quick? He needs a lot of help. We're gonna roll that out there a couple more inches, and we'll tilt her up.
You what? Oh.
Don't let that fall off the end.
Oh, is that tracking up on me?
No, we got her double chain. Help pull the idler. Probably need to pry underneath here, Kevin, because it's bound up under the idler.
Are you just pulling that up forward? Is that what you're doing?
Get another pry bar. That it?
Is that all you were doing? I'm confused what you're trying to...
You got to stand that straight up.
Oh.
We're waiting on seals at this point. Don't let it fall off that track. This is our problem in here. Bad seals.
Why is there so much stuff on the end of that? Grease and dirt.
Grease and dirt. I don't know. It's kind of gritty. Like, make sure that chrome rod's good. Seems to be good. All right, we'll get that cleaned up, get those old seals out, and we get the new ones in. We'll bring you guys back and get this thing back together. All right, we're back. We got our seals. Got that cleaned out there. I got to thinking these internationals are a little different. I call it international. It's international design, but it's actually a dresser. There is a little piston down in here. I believe it's got a threaded hole in it. Kevin's getting a 1/2 inch all thread. We should be able to thread that down in there and pull that piston out, and then that seal should be on that piston. This is your grease seal right here. And then they have a wiper seal. It goes on the outside, so it gets all thread here, and we'll get her pulled out. You got the tool, Bubby?
Maybe.
Go ahead, Tucker. Don't worry about us. Oh. There you go. There's your little seal. She is broken too.
Who's a little seal?
Mm-hmm. Is this what's left of your seal?
Yeah.
It sure doesn't look real good.
Doesn't look very sealy.
It's supposed to be one piece. Like this one. So that one's going to go on just like that, right? Grease pushes on there and swells it out bigger. But I need to put that in some hot water or
See you, bub.
see ya. Get some hot water so that swells up on there a little better.
Birth it.
Mm-hmm. I'm ready. Is that the biggest container you could find?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. There's that.
Good thing my container was big.
Put the lotion in its hole. I got the new seal in there. You're gonna berth it. There you go. Look at you. Big, strong arm up. Oh, crap, bud. You got it on me.
Sorry.
Really?
Hey,
You might
it
got me.
puts the lotion on its skin.
You sure did. All right, we're done. We're gonna put the outer scraper seal on. It's gonna face out this way to scrape the dirt off that rod. Get that in there and slam this dude back together. You want some?
Don't do it, bud. Smells like
I think you need to spray.
No, it smells like the caca.
poopy spray.
Let's go.
Put it on the bolts, not.
Bub, we're just putting it everywhere. The next mechanic is gonna be so happy with us.
Funny thing is, it's probably gonna get sent back here.
Why would they send it back here? We give lifetime warranty at CNC equipment, never breaks.
Do we?
No, that's false. We'd be out of business. All right, we're ready to put the track together. Drive forward and go in that way. Good. Shut her off. I didn't know no better. You're a professional. No, that's what the parking brake's for on the Taylor. Do you not know what that handle is? I know you never use it.
I use it all the time.
Okay.
Everybody will defend me.
Way to go, safety man. All right, we need to pad in some bolts.
Oh, a NASCAR pit crew, bub.
That's right. Think Rusty Wallace would hire us?
Yeah. Oh, Rusty.
That one's not your friend. Let me tighten this other one up.
Go to your home.
Here, I quit. It's your turn. You need a hammer? It's hard to do it one-handed. Oh, you're doing a good job. All right, we'll get a grease gun right here on the front, the old Milwaukee. Milwaukee. Tighten this dude up. You gave him the grease gun a second gear out of it, didn't you? Well, one day we'll get it pumped up. You guys see that moving forward there a little bit? That's pushing on that piston that we just put in there. That's what keeps these tracks tensioned up. So she's working. By the time Kevin gets over with a good grease gun, we'll have it done. Well, I think we're all done.
Yep.
In Mr. J's hands now. You got this one sold?
I do.
She runs and operates. We got all the leaks fixed, undercarriage fixed.
She looks a lot better than when we found her.
She looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. We got the throttle. Throttle was sticky. We got it all freed up there a while ago. Yep. So it's all in your hands.
All right. Well,
Kevin's just happy you don't have to paint one.
No Sell ice to Eskimos. Come on.
Ice to Eskimos. All right. Well, we're done with this one. We got plenty more projects and videos and.
We got plenty of things to do, don't we?
Plenty of things to do. It's like, as soon as I get rid of a couple, more of them pop up.
Yeah.
Kind of like this one over here. Another one popped up over there today that we're getting ready to shoot a video on. It's got transmission issues, controller issues. We got transmission, a lot of transmission issues. Lots of them.
I see that mating. Hey.
The El Caminos looks like it's all ramped up in the back.
Is that one of them cars that identifies as a truck or what?
Is that how they make the El Camino? A car and a monster truck that gets all jacked up in the back? Anyway, guys.
Doesn't know what it is.
we can say so many things right now, but we can't. Anyway, guys, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Smile, you're on camera.
Oh boy.
How's the stainless welding going?
Not bad.
Looking pretty good. Tucker's been welding up this handrail for the new shop all out of stainless. Got some caps put on it. Pretty slick weld.
Not bad.
So he's using a 350 miller. It come with that new building we bought, pulse welder. We got it set on the pulse mode using tri-mix of gas and stainless steel wire. First time welding stainless, huh? Looking good.